Hi everyone, hope you're doing absolutely awesome. Today I just wanted to show off this limited edition Ontario Rat Model 2. So there's nothing too special about it. The only difference is the color of the handle scales, which are in a bone-colored GRN instead of the usual variants. The blade steel is the standard AUS 8 blade steel. So just a normal Rat Model 2 except for the handle color. So you have the normal smooth action and nice lockup. I will say that the only flaw that I see on this is the grind on the secondary bevel near the heel of the blade on one side. It's kind of wide there, so that's a bit sloppy. Other than that, it's a relatively nice knife. The ergonomics are, well, they're just so-so in my opinion, but it's still a decent knife. So if you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear from you. Also, if you could subscribe, like, and share, I'd really appreciate it. I'd like to thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye now.